Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to demonstrate you a kick which is very useful in short range as well as in long range. Now this kick is called jumping front kick and you can find this kick almost every talu in Kung Fu. So let's begin. So first we have to perform some exercises. The first exercise is high jumping toes. In this exercise you have to jump higher and higher. This will allow you to higher your kick and it is very useful. At first start with at least 10 times, so it is very hard for you. Then you can start with 5 counts, but you have to reach at least 10 times. And now the jumping knee kick. Now this kick is very important or very useful if you practice this kick, and how it is beneficial you will know soon. So do not skip this exercise. So if you don't know how to perform jumping knee kick, then check out my previous video. I explain it deeply. The name of the video is short range high damage kick. Okay, now let's continue. Now let's start the kick. At first you will stand in the fighting position. We will practice this kick in just one place. Now raise your body with the help of your back leg and also with your shoulder. Perform the front kick and land. Now this kick is quite easy. If you practice this, then you can understand, but it is very beneficial in the short range and also it can be performed easily. First, you have to stand in the fighting position, then run, higher your back leg and then perform the front kick. Remember, do not take your kicking leg back. Okay. Now in the karate, this kick is also called the jumping maegiri or the jumping front kick. So you practice this kick. Now it's time to increase the power of the kick in short range. And how? Let's see. First, stand in the fighting position, then round your hands like this and then go down to increase the spring power of your. Then jump with your 2 legs. Perform the front kick and your other leg will bend position. After that you have to land in your toes, but when you land, remember you have to stand in the fighting position because you have to ready for the next kick. Now this kick is very powerful in short range if you able to perform this, and it can do a very amount of high damage. So this is it. Now you see that how this kick is very powerful in short range and the long range. You can just perform this kick the first phase without any stretching exercise, and this is the main benefit of this kick. Okay, but there is a warning sign. Do not practice the second phase without practicing the first phase, because if you do, then you can be damaged. Yes, you can get a certain pain in your back or your shoulder or even your neck. Okay, so practice this carefully. Do not skip the exercises, do not skip the first phase, and this is very important. So I hope you enjoy this video and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep practicing. Bye.